In this video, I'll walk you through how the profit and loss report works in WinkSell. Once you are logged in, look for the Accounts option in the menu Items, and then Profit and Loss. The interface provides you with the option to sort the data using the filters at the top. This report has two sections. The Cost of Goods section includes the opening stock, purchase, cost of goods sold, and the closing stock values. The closing stock is calculated by adding the opening stock and purchase values, then subtracting the cost of goods. The profit and loss includes the sales, cost of goods sold, gross profit, expenses, and net profit. The net profit here is calculated by subtracting expenses from gross profit. Additionally, you can export this report in Excel to present to the owner or the partner. That's all. To learn about other account reports, please watch our other videos.